In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sqare to Etsy account. By the end, your Etsy shop and Sqare point of sale will be working together so your in-person sales and online inventory stay in sync. Start by signing in to both platforms. Have your Etsy seller account open in one browser tab and your Sqare account open in another. Staying logged into both makes the connection smooth and avoids timeouts. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you have a larger catalog. Now head to your Etsy dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Sell in Person. Click it and Etsy will bring up the Sqare integration area. This is the built-in place where Etsy handles everything related to Sqare. On this page, you'll see an overview of how Etsy and Sqare work together, plus some common questions. Look for the prompt that says you already have a Sqare account and click it. That action will open the permissions screen where Sqare asks for access so the two systems can talk to each other securely. On the permissions screen, review what's being requested. Sqare will want access to your profile information, your item library so listings can sync, your payment history, and your Sqare orders. These permissions enable accurate syncing and reporting across both platforms. When you're comfortable with what's shown, click Allow to continue. After you approve, you'll be redirected to the Sqare dashboard. Here, choose the option to sync your listings. Give it a moment. The first sync can take a bit depending on how many items you have. Keep the page open while it runs. Once it finishes, your data will update automatically going forward, and you can always return to resync if you add or change listings later. Next, select the location you want connected to your Etsy shop. If you have only one location, it will be selected for you. If you manage multiple locations, choose the one where you actually make in-person sales. This ensures inventory, sales, and reporting are tracked to the right place. When the sync completes, you'll see confirmation that your listings are connected. Look for the last synced timestamp to verify it's current. You'll also notice an option to disconnect Sqare from Etsy if you ever need to, though you won't typically use that in day-to-day operations. Finally, return to your Etsy dashboard and make sure everything looks right. That's it. Your Sqare account is now connected to your Etsy shop, giving you seamless in-person selling with automatic inventory syncing.